The DJI Mini 5 Pro is generating buzz in the drone community with its anticipated features and improvements. Expected to release around September 2024, this compact drone aims to build upon the success of its predecessors while introducing significant upgrades. One of the most exciting rumored features is the camera system. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to boast a 1-inch sensor, a notable improvement from the 1.3-inch sensor in previous models. This upgrade could significantly enhance dynamic range and reduce noise, especially in low-light conditions. Additionally, 4K video recording at 60 FPS is likely to be included, matching current industry standards for compact drones. Internal storage is another area of potential improvement. While the Mini 4 Pro offered 2 GB of internal storage, many users hope to see at least 8 GB in the Mini 5 Pro. This increase would provide more flexibility for pilots capturing footage without relying solely on external memory cards. Flight time remains a crucial factor for drone enthusiasts. Despite the Intelligent Battery Plus in the Mini 4 Pro, significant improvements in flight duration have been limited. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to offer at least 40 minutes of flight time per charge, allowing pilots more freedom to explore and capture footage without frequent battery changes. Pricing for the Mini 5 Pro is anticipated to be similar to its predecessor, ranging from $750 to $800 for the base model. This pricing strategy would position the drone competitively in the mid-segment market while offering advanced features. While some rumors about the Mini 5 Pro may seem exaggerated or unrealistic for a mid-segment drone, the expected improvements in sensor size, dynamic range, storage capacity, and flight time could make it suitable for professional use. These upgrades have the potential to set a new benchmark in the compact drone industry. DJI's rapid release of new models suggests a strategy to maintain market dominance and meet evolving consumer demands. The Mini 5 Pro represents an opportunity for DJI to not only meet but exceed the expectations set by previous models. As the drone industry continues to evolve, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could play a significant role in shaping the future of compact, high-performance drones. Its release is eagerly anticipated by both hobbyists and professionals looking for a powerful yet portable drone solution.